Hey guys, привет! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will have a short lesson and we will learn 3 important Russian prepositions через, к, у. In this lesson, we look at these prepositions only in the meaning of movement and place. They can also have other meanings, but now we focus only on these two. If you want extra practice and exercises, you can find the full version of this lesson on my Patreon. So let's get started. The first preposition, через. After через, use a noun in accusative case. And the meaning of this preposition is across, through. Use it when you go to other side or through something. For example, машина проехала через мост. Машина проехала через мост. One more example. Он прыгнул через забор. Он прыгнул через забор. When you use через, think of it as crossing a border. Let's move on. Next preposition is к. After к, a noun in dative case is used. And the meaning of this preposition is to, towards. So use it when you go to a person or place, but not inside. For example, я иду к врачу. Я иду к врачу. Подойди к окну. Подойди к окну. Let's compare. Я иду в школу. I go to school, and focus is on destination inside. And я иду к школе. I go towards the school, and we are talking about direction, not necessarily inside. So the next preposition is у. After у, a noun in genitive case is used. And this preposition has a meaning at or near. Let's read examples. Я стою у дома. Я стою у дома. Мы встретились у метро. Мы встретились у метро. So, у shows position near something. Now, let's compare all 3 prepositions with one example. We take the same word but change the preposition, and the meaning becomes different. This way you can clearly see how через, к, and у work in Russian. Let's begin. Я иду через мост. Я иду через мост. I cross it from one side to the other. Next. Я иду к мосту. Я иду к мосту. I walk towards it, but I may not cross it. And the last sentence. Я стою у моста. Я стою у моста. I stand at the bridge, near the bridge. So let's practice. Look at the pictures. You will have 5 seconds to complete the sentence in Russian with the correct preposition через, к, or у. So let's begin. Он идет. The right answer is он идет через мост. Next. Он идет. And the answer is он идет к парку. Very good. Let's move on. Она стоит. Она стоит у метро. Good. Они идут. Они идут через лес. Good job. Next sentence. Он идет. Он идет к остановке. Он идет к остановке. And the last sentence. Он стоит. And the answer is он стоит у магазина. Well done. So remember, через means across, through. К to, towards. And у at or near. Don't forget to download the lesson on my Patreon for more practice. Thanks for learning Russian with me. Спасибо. Пока.